I gained 100,000 followers cross-platform in 1 year by posting 100 videos to my socials.
And I put in the reps.
Today, I'll explain the 5 essentials I wish I'd known earlier and what I'm doing now. If you're new here, I'm Taiku. Within the last year, I've been recruited and signed to a modeling agency. I'm selling my paintings, coaching other content creators, and doing affiliate marketing for other brands. Plus, I'm opening a new art studio where I'll be creating full-time, making paintings and videos, going live, and teaching drawing and painting workshops. Yeah, I got a master's from Cal Arts in video, but I knew going in that it was going to take at least 100 videos before I'd feel the confidence I feel now. So I committed myself. Look at all the stuff I've accomplished already, and I only thought I could do stuff. Now I know it. The confidence comes from improving your skill, and that comes from doing. But don't focus too much on quantity that you post bad work. Year 1, make a lot of videos, but year 2, really turn up. Averaging 2 videos a week, I excelled by always finding something better that I was able to do in each video. So I'm a video god. Over time, this allowed me to hone in and make better videos aimed at providing value, having better scripts, better themes, better thumbnails, and better editing. This is what I'm passionate about. I also cut the music out of my videos so I could talk more freely about my passions. I started off doing long form for a few months, then switched to short form before going live. Since watch time hours on YouTube are calculated by the year, it's best to start all as soon as possible. If you guys want to be an icon, utilize long form content and live streams to get your watch time hours up and create loyal fans. You want to be an icon like me? Let's go! And use shorts to get views and reach. I also recommend posting to all platforms because I've had some videos go viral on some and not others. This will help you figure out which audiences are on which platforms and how the platforms work. I made mostly lifestyle content for the first few months. This allowed me to explore different genres and topics. Family, art, house, fitness, and cars. Stay tuned for my books, stay tuned for my paintings. Get your merch soon. But it may have created a mixed audience, or at the very least makes it harder for YouTube to match you with your audience. I'm currently focused on providing value through my talent, passion, and knowledge of art. I'm the master in painting. You'll still see lifestyle content on my channel, but expect to see a lot more art since I'm creating a new body of work in my new art studio. Working with professionals can save you time and money. I worked with a few notable mentors my first year. I like choosing mentors that'll stretch me and that have different strengths. I worked one-on-one with Ty Lopez, who is in mindset and finance, as well as Kelly Muscle, who's in fitness and is street smart. Do your research by watching other informative videos and get a mentor to get you there faster. It's time to become the god. Don't use music. Talk about your passions instead. Don't skip long form videos and live streams and be seduced by short views. Niche down. Focus on your main message. Be consistent and committed. Research and collaborate. Focus on your strengths. Use all formats and platforms. All right. Thanks for joining me as I shared my experience and advice for new creators. I hope this gives you some inspiration and tips for your own creative journey. Check out my website, tai-ku.com, for my coaching packages and ask about my YouTube hack. I got a YouTube hack for you. Let's do this. Also, shop my available paintings and look for more info on my in-person drawing and painting workshops in Salt Lake City, Utah. I've got the lifestyle, I've got the story, and I've got the knowledge. Right now, I'm giving you the knowledge. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos about creating. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. See you next time.